everybody, welcome back to Popping Pumpkins. So how often have you been in the situation where you are on the go, you have very less time, but you still want to eat something delicious, nutritious and filling at the same time? Quite often for me, I would say. So here in this video, I'm going to share with you a quick and simple recipe that fits quite perfectly into such a situation. So let's get started.
So for this recipe, we'll be using 1 full bowl of mint leaves, half a bowl of coriander leaves, some finely chopped onions, green chilies that have turned red, 2 pods of garlic, a small piece of ginger, some cinnamon, cardamom, cloves and bay leaves. We'll also be using 1.5 cups of boiled rice. Also for the flavoring, we'll be using cumin seeds, some salt and some lemon juice. So I'm starting off by making a fine paste of the fresh mint leaves, which I'm adding to a blender. I shall also add the coriander leaves, some of the chilies, the ginger and the garlic pods. I'm also adding half a cup of water. Now let's make a fine paste of this by blending it all in for about 40 seconds. Now once the paste is done, it looks pretty much like this. Now to a hot pan, I'll be adding about 4 teaspoons of ghee. You can use any other oil of choice. Once it has heated up, I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds or jeera. I'll just stir that a bit. Now to this, I'll go ahead and add all the spices, which is the cardamom, cinnamon, cloves and the bay leaves. I'll just mix that up as well so that it releases all its flavors. Now to this, I'll go ahead and add the onions. I'll stir the onions as well. This may take a couple of minutes. Just wait till it turns golden brown in color. Once done, I shall go ahead and add the paste of the coriander and mint leaves that I have just made. I shall add about half the cup and mix it up. So we'll add the paste according to the amount of rice that we've made. I've made about 1.5 cups of rice, so for this I'll be utilizing the entire paste that I've made. So I'll add the entire thing up. Now I will fry this. Frying the paste will ensure that all the flavors are released. Now to this, I'll add some amount of salt. I'm adding 2.5 teaspoons here. You can go ahead and add as much as you wish. I'll mix that up well as well. So the paste is almost ready now. We can go ahead and add the rice. So I'm adding the entire 1.5 cups of rice that I have pressure cooked to this. Make sure that the rice is not too hot while you're adding it, or else they'll tend to stick together. So cool down the rice a little bit before you add it. You can add a little bit of oil at this point in case you feel that the consistency is not very nice. So I'm just mixing it all up with the paste. It looks like it's done and it's all mixed well. Now, to make it a little tangy, I'm adding my concentrated lemon juice here. You can add fresh lime juice. You can also replace this with tamarind juice, which you can add to the paste while making the paste in the beginning itself. Since I did not have tamarind with me, I used the lemon juice. And it's all done. Now let's look at how we can serve the dish. Into a bowl, I'm taking some of the mint rice. Now on top of the rice, I'll add some amount of yogurt, which I have seasoned with ground peppers. And finally, I'm going to garnish this with some coriander leaves. And there you go. I hope you enjoy it.
Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section down below. See you in the next one. Bye.